Yes, your boy got the new graphics in. Gotta have to bust these down, see what they look like. Alright, quick before shot of the KTM before I throw the new graphics on. I'll probably put the old. I might take my headlight off because I want to see what the number plate look like. So yeah, just quick before. I already got the graphics on the new plastics. I just gotta put them on. I got a black tank that I gotta get on, but your boy messed up and stripped the screw for the tank. So I don't know, it's got some thread there, but I hate using those. I don't really like using those extractor bolts. I've done more harm than good before using those, and I ended up having to just drill the whole screw out, which I don't want to do on a gas tank. So I don't know, I'm gonna try a couple more things before I try this extractor bolt. But yeah, we'll catch y'all in a minute. See what the new KTM look like. I still don't have the sumo wheels. The plan was to trade the YZ or sell the YZ. Then I can put some money in the KTM and get my sumo wheels, get that hooked up. But since I traded the YZ for this guy, we gotta make sacrifices. So sumo wheels gonna have to wait. I might throw some Shinko 705s, I think they are on here. Or I might just keep these wheels on here until I wear them down. But we'll see. I know I don't want to be in the woods, or definitely I'm not racing with no tires. Like, I don't even think I'm racing these tires, honestly. Yeah, catch y'all in a minute. Yes. Let's go. Bam, and there's an after. Got the kit installed. I like it, man. It came out about as good as I thought it would. But this tank, man, I got a 4-gallon tank and I didn't realize that it was gonna be all hugified like that. I don't really like it, honestly, but I don't know. I'm gonna keep it for a minute. I might sell it, we'll see. But yeah, there's the new graphics. KTM, the 12 o'clock shop. It's looking clean. I had the front number plate on, but I'm about to go out. I don't know how long I'm gonna be out, so I'll put the headlight back on. But yeah, there she is. It looked like it's been about to rain for all morning, like the last 3 hours. It's to fucking tease me with rain, so watch as soon as I come out, it start raining. But check out these trails. I met this, one of my boy homies I met on Best Buy the other week on Friday. He told me about some trails and stuff. Check them out. I got the mic coming in, so this terrible audio is about to go away. Finally invested in a new mic. Definitely be coming back here. Try it. Oh, it's a rifle range too? The outdoor? bruh.
Oh shit. Hold off on me. Dry up though. I'm definitely gonna come check it out. Or when I got some gear on. Oh, I had a quick U-turn. Hold up. Shit ain't getting marked. Chill out. Hell yeah. Oh, hell yeah. Woo! Got a little slop. Fire game. Look at that. I can't wait to bring the quad out here. Oh shit, it going to the woods over there too. I feel better on the KTM than I do the Yamaha game. I think I do. Hell yeah. Woo! Oh shit. Full shoulder. Fuck it. Hey, that's it. This it. That's him right there.
It's nothing but cheddar, it's nothing but cake. It's nothing but gas. What the fuck is a break? I can't even